Hi everyone, welcome back to Graceful Beauty. My name is Sherry. Today I wanted to share with you part of my newest skincare routine and the reason why I've stopped using my prescription strength Retin-A. If you're not subscribed to my channel but you would like to be, don't forget to look down below and tap on that subscribe button. And if you do like this video, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up. For reference, I am 47 years old. I'll be 48 in a couple months. And I have been using the strongest strength of prescription Retin-A, the 0.1%, now for a good 10 years, but I've been using the 0.05% for probably a total of, I'd say, 20 years. Now, if you're not familiar with what prescription strength Retin-A is, it's a retinoic acid. You've probably heard people say they use tretinoin or Curology. And what the prescription strength can do, it is a potent form of vitamin A that helps build collagen. It will help skin cells to turn over. So the reason I started using prescription strength Retin-A about 20 years ago was actually for acne. That is what it pretty much used to always be prescribed for. But then I guess over time they realized that people were starting to not age the way they should, and they realized that the prescription strength Retin-A was actually helping the skin to look more youthful, which it really does. You know, as we age, we're not making as much collagen as we were when we were a little kid, and our skin cells, they're not turning over as quickly as they used to when we were younger. So that is something that I've always enjoyed about Retin-A. Not only did it help with my acne when I was younger, but it helps me to keep a more youthful appearance. Now, I don't think I'm necessarily anti-aging, but I do think that the aging process on me has slowed down quite a bit because of all my years of using prescription strength Retin-A. So not only is it building the collagen, but basically what it's doing that you can visibly see, my skin is firm. My skin is actually very firm, I think, for my age. My skin cells are constantly renewing themselves, so it's constantly revealing that youthful, glowing skin underneath. It also is really good for pigmentation. I have hyperpigmentation and melasma, and it won't completely get rid of it, but since it is constantly helping those skin cells to turn over more frequently, it does in turn help with hyperpigmentation. Another thing I do hear a lot of people say is they love using their Retin-A because it helps with their hooded eyelids. Now, I have had these hooded lids ever since I was born, but I notice the older I'm getting, they're not necessarily getting worse. This is, you know, I'll pop up a picture of what I looked like as a kid. This is what my eyes have always looked like. I do feel like even the skin underneath my brow bone here, it's not, you know, saggy. I mean, I do have a little bit of loose skin on my eyelid, but I feel like, you know, this skin is not super saggy. Now, I know I have big puffy cheeks. I have never had fillers ever. A lot of people ask me that, and I'm totally fine when you guys ask me questions about any work I've had done. I've never had any work done to my face. Years ago, I did get this little line Botoxed here, but I get Botox for migraines. So, and I know some people are like, what, Botox for migraines? I talk about it in a ton of other videos, but most of the injections go here in the back of my head and the back of my neck, but they put like 3 injections right here. So I don't have any in me right now, but I feel like over the years of having so much Botox for the migraines, it's just kind of prevented the wrinkles from really forming. So, I mean, I have plenty of movement in my eyebrows because the Botox is completely worn off, but you know, you can kind of see a few little wrinkles here, but I've never, you know, thankfully really gotten any here because I've always had that Botox for my migraines. But I've never had Botox here. I've never had fillers. I've never had anything else done to my face. I've never had lasers. I don't even get facials. I think I've had 1 facial in 10 years. So with that being said, prescription strength Retin-A, it sounds absolutely amazing, right? But I have now been using a product that to me blows my prescription strength. The highest dose of prescription strength Retin-A blows it out of the water. This is a product by a brand called Truth Treatment Systems, and I'm sure many of you have heard of this brand. I've actually featured a couple of their products in some of my previous videos. I think in my top 10 Holy Grail skincare video about maybe a year and a half ago, I shared the vitamin C serum from this brand that is like an absolute favorite of mine. But I had never tried this retinol gel. And the reason why I never tried their retinol gel is because honestly, I just kind of thought, well, I'm already using the best because I'm using the highest dose of prescription strength Retin-A. So this was sent to me in PR from SKINBEAUTIFULRX, and I'm so thankful that Leah sent this. She clearly knows skincare. I learn so much from watching her videos. She knows a whole lot more than I do, and I probably would have never tried this if she had not sent it to me. And to be quite honest, when she sent it, I just thought, there's just no way. It's not going to compare to my prescription strength Retin-A, but this is absolutely magical. So this one is the 5% retinol gel that they carry. Now they do have a 1% retinol gel. Now this is retinol, not retinoic acid, and retinoic acid is what the prescription strength Retin-A or tretinoin is. So like I said, that's why I never tried it, because I thought, if I'm already using retinoic acid, why do I want to use a retinol that has to convert to retinoic acid inside my skin before I will really, I guess, see those benefits? So the owner has explained that their 5% retinol gel is comparable to prescription strength Retin-A in the 0.05 dose. So 0.05 is the strength that I used for, like I said, maybe 10 years, and it worked, amazing for my skin. But maybe the past 10 years I've been using the absolute highest strength. But this one would be comparable to a prescription strength Retin-A. I don't think there's any other product over the counter that I found that has this much retinol in it. So not only do I now not have to deal with getting a prescription from the doctor, waiting in line at the pharmacy, paying the copay, and even though I was using a prescription strength Retin-A, the ingredients that were in it, that always bothered me. There's a lot of really bad ingredients in the prescription strength Retin-A, even though it does have that one ingredient that I was obviously loving for the past 20 years. The rest of the fillers and the ingredients that are in it, they're just, honestly, they're not great for the skin. This has, I believe, only 6 ingredients, but not only does it have a whopping 5% retinol in it, which, like I said, is comparable to the prescription strength Retin-A, this also has my all-time favorite holy grail form of vitamin C, the tetrahexyldecyl ascorbate, or THD ascorbate in it, which is a stable form of vitamin C which is able to penetrate deeper. It doesn't just sit on the surface like your average vitamin C serum that you would find, say, at like Sephora. The way this is formulated, the combination of these ingredients on my skin, I wake up within one use, I wake up and my skin is smooth and soft and glowy like a baby's butt. This is meant to be used not nightly. This is meant to be used once a week. But I have now been using this a couple months, and I've got to say I am blown away by the results. I'm sitting in front of a bright window, so that's probably why my skin looks kind of bright. But I feel like my skin is so glowy now. I feel like the skin tone is a little more even, but the firmness, I'm blown away at how firm my skin feels. I don't even use my NuFace, the microcurrent device, anymore. I haven't used it for probably a year, but my skin feels like I've been using my NuFace because it is super firm. I had started noticing like a little bit of the gels trying to form, and since I've been using this, I don't notice it at all. My face, my neck, my chest, everything is a lot firmer. And on my neck, I do put this on my neck also, but I just kind of buffer it with a moisturizer just to make sure, because I don't want to have my neck getting red and irritated. But it works beautifully on my neck, beautifully on my chest, but I'm just really shocked and blown away at the results on my face. I just really think that my face, not trying to be stuck up, I just think that my face looks so much better than what it used to look like since I've been using this. So let me just show you what the product looks like. It comes in this nice glass jar, and it just kind of looks like Vaseline, honestly, a dark yellow Vaseline. And this is the color. If you are using a retinol and you don't see this color, I mean, I guess some people could put dyes in it. This doesn't have dye, but this is what the color of retinol looks like. This is amazing if you have acne. This is amazing if you have oily skin like I have, normal to oily skin. This is amazing even if you have dry skin. Now, if you're new to, say, using a retinol or a prescription strength Retin-A, I would not start with this highest dose. They do have a lower strength. All I do is I just use about a little pea size of this one night a week, and I spread. It spreads so easily all over my face, my neck, and my chest. And then I do like to put a little bit on the backs of my hands. And I know the sun's super bright here, but let me see if I can show you. I had a couple scars here from testing a product here that just kind of burnt my skin and left scars, but those scars are completely gone. I feel like my hands look pretty youthful. I think my hands look really good, and it's this product. I think this would probably last me for a year, if not longer, honestly, because I just use the smallest, less than a pea size amount one night a week. And the other thing that I thought was interesting, the directions say to apply this to damp skin, because typically when your skin is damp, things are going to penetrate a little bit deeper. When you use prescription strength Retin-A, which can be more irritating, they say put that only on dry skin because you don't want it to penetrate so fast and cause a bunch of irritation. So another product that I use that Leah sent me, now I bought this before myself about a year and a half ago because I like to use this with their vitamin C also, but she sent me this one to try it with this. This is their Biometric Mineral Mist. This is a really nice mist full of a bunch of antioxidants. So not only will this help this to penetrate even deeper, you're also getting another whopping dose of antioxidants when you combine the two of them. So I'll just spray about 3 little pumps of this in my hand and then put this little itty bitty pea size, rub them together, and then that's when I apply it all over. So I know a lot of people will ask me, well, is there a dupe for this product? And the answer is no. There is absolutely nothing on the market that I find comparable, even in the slightest, to this amazing product. But if you want to start out and incorporate a retinol into your skincare routine, there are some drugstore options that I do like. And again, these are not gonna blow you away. These are not going to transform your skin the way this product will, but it's a start. You know, it's a start for you to incorporate retinol into your skincare routine. And these are a couple products that I really like. The first one is the mildest of them all. I think there's probably just less than 1% of retinol in this. This is CeraVe's Resurfacing Retinol Serum. This is gonna be super, super mild. And you know, you might not see great results with this. I actually don't like this on my face because I see no results on my face with this, but I actually really like this on my neck and my chest. So if you are really new to retinols, then maybe just start out with something that is more affordable and not so intense, and this is a nice one by CeraVe. Another one you might like is Adapalene. This is a prescription strength. Well, it used to be by prescription only, and you can now get it at the drugstore. This one, I don't feel like the results are as intense as the prescription strength Retin-A that I used. This would be great even if you do have acne, but it also can help with building the collagen and regenerating those skin cells to help with giving you that more youthful appearance. Again, this one does not compare to the Truth Treatments one, but this is a good, really affordable option. I think I got this on Amazon for, I think, $9.99. With this product, it's a little pricey up front, but I feel like using this one night a week, and with this being so ridiculously potent, this will last me so much longer than, say, a product like this will last. So I just wanted to give you a couple additional affordable options of something that would be similar, but again, these are not dupes for this product. I do have a discount code for you. SKINBEAUTIFULRX is an authorized retailer of this product. If you've tried this product, leave me a comment down below, or if there's any other products from this line or any other line that you think are super impressive that you wanted to share with everyone, leave that comment down below. If you liked today's video, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel but you would like to be, look down below and just tap on that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope you have a wonderful day.